Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an eggplant, so let's get started. To draw this cute eggplant, let's first start by drawing the stem area. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve that comes down, come right back at the top, draw a little angle, and then come down. So it's thinner up here and wider towards the bottom. So now that I have my little stem in, I'm going to draw the leafy part like, well, it's not the leaves, right? It's kind of like the crown. So I'm just going to come out and I'll draw 3 of them. I'm going to come out on both sides and then I'm just going to go ahead and draw 3. One in the center just to simplify it, and then one more and connect. There. So now that I have the top of our eggplant in, I'm going to go ahead and just make this round, plump eggplant. So I'm just going to imagine this is coming through and about right here. I'm going to start right here and here. So I want these parts to come out a little bit. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead, and it's all up to you, the shape of your eggplant. As you know, eggplants come in many shapes, sizes, right? So it's all up to you. So I'm just going to go about right here, and then I'm going to make mine really plump. So I'm going to give it a little curve right about here and start to curve it in. So same thing here. And this part is going to be just nice and smooth and round to connect everything. So about right there, make this part a little bit rounder. And then go ahead and connect. So now that I have my basic eggplant shape in, let's bring it to life. So if you want to do that, let's come to say about right in this area. At an angle right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So my eyes are just kind of looking down or just closed, and about right here, another one. Just come in here and thicken it up. So this is kind of like our center. Just imagine this center right here. Then from there, let's come in between, and I'll just draw a little curve that comes slightly up and cap it off. There. And then let's come above each eye, about right here, and I'll draw 2 curves. And then I thought it'd be extra cute if we put some hands on this eggplant, kind of like where the tummy would be. And so, let's say about right here in the center, I'm just going to add 2 ovals right here. So just I know, make sure my hands are right in the center area, and I'll just shade it in. And then from there on this side, I'm going to come down and just bend it a little bit right here. So right on the tummy, just to give our eggplant some volume, and then down and out. There. So hopefully that looks like our eggplant is resting his hands on his tummy, and I'll just come in here and thicken this all up. There. Okay, so then now that that's pretty thick, let's come back in here and we're going to thicken these eyes up as well. Okay, and then at the bottom right here, so this is our center, and it's going to curve around, and then about right here, we're just going to give a little dot. Oh, maybe make it like a little X for the end of our eggplant to make it extra cute. And of course, I'm going to add a little, let's see here, where should we add a heart? I'm just going to add it right here to make it my Draw So Cute eggplant to add to my veggie series. I really hope you love this eggplant and that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And definitely let me know in the comments below what other veggies you want me to draw for you. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.